we're only one of 2 places that can make an 8404, which is a field corpsman. There is no corpsman that you've ever served with in a Marine Corps unit that has not come through either East Coast or West Coast Field Medical Training Battalion. We bridge that gap between the Marine Corps tactics and the Navy medicine that they already know. Tomorrow, what you'll see specifically is both physical and mental. And by physical, we'll start off with a pretty substantial PT session prior to them going in and performing their 120 seconds of being able to apply that tourniquet quickly and efficiently. And once they do that, it turns into mental stressors. And we're sitting there yelling at them. There's water in there. There's fake blood all over the ground. We're banging, not drums, but we're banging buckets with wood. They can't hear themselves. It's completely dark in there. They can't see their patients. They're only using physical landmarks by doing a complete triage from head to toe on their patients. And once they complete that, that's when they're considered done. But it is a gruesome 2 minutes for them once they go in there, and it's not easy. I can assure you that.
When we're with the Marine unit deployed, or even back home in garrison, things can happen very quickly, and we do a lot of repetition, and it does get a little monotonous. But the point is that the more you can do it, the more you can make it muscle memory. So let's say you're out walking, you're not expecting anything, something happens, an IED, you take contact, someone goes down, they're critically injured. You need to be able to react in a second and immediately get that tourniquet on, in a high stress situation where you may not, there may be a lot going on. So you need to be able to get down and just immediately be able to know what your equipment is, where it needs to go, how it needs to be placed.
They're going to be able to walk to the fight, be able to do some healing power and bring that to the fight, and do tactical medicine, as well as continue to be a gun in the fight for the entire duration of whatever conflict we're in, peacetime, wartime, it doesn't matter. That 8404 Field Corpsman will be able to help on both the medicine side and the Marine Corps tactical side.